Hello, my name is Sanket Jadhav. I am the student of SYB Tech Aeronautical Engineering and my topic for presentation is drawing defects. In this presentation, we have to see types of the drawing defects. Now we have to discuss about the first point. So let's start. The first point is wrinkle. Wrinkle is an insufficient blank holder pressure causes wrinkle to develop on the flange, which may also extend to the wall of the curve. That means, in the deep drawing process, a punch pushes a sheet metal blank, look at here, into a die cavity, resultant in a contoured part. A part is said to be deep drawing if then the depth of the part is at least half of its diameter, right? Otherwise, it is the simply called generally stamping. Deep drawing stamping is widely used in process that produces a range of household items such as soap, can batteries, casings, fire extinguishers, and even the kitchen sink, right? A deep drawing process may have one or more drawing operations depending on the complexity of the part. One of the primary defects that occurs in the deep drawing operations is the wrinkle of sheet metal material, right? In generally, the wall of the flank of the parts, the flank of the blank undergoes radial drawing stress and tangential compressive stress during the stamping process, which sometimes result in the wrinkles. Wrinkles is preventable if the deep drawing systems and the stamped part are designed properly. Okay. No fracture. Fracture is the separation of an object or material into two or more pieces. Under the action of stress, the fracture of a solid usually occurs due to the development of certain displacement discontinuity surface within the solid. If displacement develops perpendicular to the surface of displacement, it is called as normal tensile crack or a simple a crack, right? If a displacement develops tangential to the surface of displacement, brittle fractures occurs with the apparent deformation before fracture. The ductile fractures occur when the visible deformations does occur before the depressions. Fracture strength or breaking strength is the strength when a specimen fails to the fractures. A detailed understand how fractures occur in no sorry of the how fractures occurs materials may be assessed by the study of fractures mechanics. That's mean too much of a blank holder's pressure, see in the diagram. Pressure and frictions may causes a thinning of the walls and a fracture at the flanks, bottom and the corners. Usually, the more types of the recommendations. The recommendations of the reduce the potential risk of the cold temperature environment fractures may be included the following steps. There are the many steps to avoiding to the fractures. There are some likes add process safeguards, change or upgrade the material, modify low temperatures alarms, alter process, critical exposure temperature, require heat treatment of material, perform impact testing of the material. There are the recommendation of to prevent the fractures. The next point is earring is an formation of waviness on uppermost portion of deep drawn curve. Knowledge about ear formation in deep drawing process allowed a prior modification of process which can result in the defect free final product with the financial saving and time. Show this diagram. It's explained. While the drawing is a rolled stock, ears on lobes tend to occur because of the anisotropy induced by the rolling operations. That means earning is the one of the major defects observed in a deep drawing process due to the anisotropic nature of the sheet material. Knowledge about the ear formation deep drawing allow a prior modification of the process which can result in the defect-free final product with financial saving. The next point is the mistrike. The mistrike, the word itself mistrike. If you want to the strike something missing, it's so that it's basically that words itself. The mistrike, they see this figure. Their flags are then like it's very thick, so you can understand, or it can happen it not placed very proper. The flags are not placed properly, due to the that resultant is a miss strike. Because of that, the punch hole not strike the right place of, then we cross the miss striking, and that is what all about it due to the misplaced from of the stroke. Same thing, because it the word itself it the telling that is not striking for right place, so this is symmetrically flanges may result. The second thing, it be causes of the unsymmetrical flanges are the result. This defect is known as the mistrike. Yes. The next one is orange peel. We have to see a real in the previous that orange peel. If we'll see, you can in the first diagram which on no orange peel. See, but on the next diagram, if we'll see to how to its surface the feel of the orange, right? So it can imagine what name we have given here. This is due to remember a surface roughness encountered the formation producing from metal stock that has a coarse grain size that you have observing, because you can see the roughing surface on the second diagram, that is the orange peel. So it is due to uneven flow or the appearance of the over large grains, usually the result of the anion light at the high temperature. The next one is stretcher strain. So it is the caused by the plastic deformation due to the into igneous yielding. So if you carry but out the plastic deformation, there is in homogeneous yielding will be strain. Some will be basically in this slide two what can I say, you can say two section material, right? And one of the deformed and the another will be deformed. This stress will be developed that is called as stretcher strain. These lines can crisscross the surface of the workpiece and may be visible objection able, right? So it up you can observe crisscross on the surface material, and that is visibly objection of, and that is stretcher strain. So these both are surface defect. Low carbon steel and the aluminium show more stretcher strain. Next one is the surface scratches. So basically simple scratches because the two moving again the punch and die. So will be there some rubbing will be there, right? And they can happen it by observing the scratches develop. So die or punch not having a smooth surface and sufficiently lubrication will be produced. The scratches, this is simple, you can see that two surface metallic surfaces will be rubbing again there. The possibility that the scratches develop, that is what the surface scratches is there, right? So this is all from my set. Thank you very much.